All right, let's get started. The first step is to chop the vegetables for the soup. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, remove the stems from the tomatoes. Then chop the tomatoes into 3/4 inch pieces. Remove the seeds and stem from the pepper. Then chop it into 3/4 inch pieces. Peel the onion and chop it into 3/4 inch pieces. Use a vegetable peeler to peel some thin strips from the skin of the cucumber. Chop the cucumber into 3/4 inch pieces. Peel the garlic, slice it thinly, and remove the green sprout. Chop the baguette into 3/4 inch cubes. Next, you'll need a large mixing bowl to mix the ingredients and seasoning. Put the water in the bowl. Let the pieces of baguette soak in the water. Add the tomatoes, pepper, onion, garlic, and cucumber. Add the olive oil and the white wine vinegar. Mix in some salt and pepper. That's it for preparations. The next step is to blend the ingredients to make the soup. You'll need a blender, a fine sieve, a mixing bowl, and plastic wrap. Put all of the mixed ingredients into the blender and blend them until smooth. Place the sieve over the bowl and pour in the mixture. Use a rubber spatula to strain the mixture through the sieve. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge until the soup is well chilled. Transfer the soup to serving bowls and drizzle over some olive oil. It's ready to eat. Well done!